What's up, sneaker family? It's Footprints, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix some Shaggy Suede on a pair of Air Jordan 5 Retro University Reds. And we're going to take them from looking like this to more like this over here. And as usual, all links to products and tools used in the videos will be in the description or in the comments. And please go check out more of my YouTube videos on my profile. Now let's begin. The first thing we're gonna do is stuff the shoe so that we're able to clean it properly. Next up, we're gonna get a piece of 180 grit sandpaper and we're gonna sand the suede down as smooth as possible. After, we're gonna follow up with a piece of 220 grit sandpaper. And for the last piece of sandpaper, we're going to be using a piece of 400 grit sandpaper. After that, we're going to use a glue eraser attached to a pair of vice grips. After, we're going to use a piece of Brillo, and now we should start to see the suede really start to look better. Next up, I'm going to get a crepe brush to lay the suede down as flat as possible. Now here's where things are really going to start to heat up. We're going to get a spoon and a mini torch, and you're going to heat your spoon up for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then you're going to rub the spoon against all loose, frayed, and hairy areas of the suede. Personally, I use 2 spoons and a chafing fuel can. If you're going to use this method, these cans are extremely flammable, so please keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Do not douse them out with water. They are made with ethanol. Repeat, do not douse them out with water. Please use a fire extinguisher or smother out the flame. Disclaimer. You can also use your oven or stove or a heat gun to heat your spoon as well. Next, we're going to get a magic eraser and we're going to lay the suede down smooth. You should really start to see luster and the suede start to shift. For the final finish, you're going to get a mini steamer and rotate the steam around the shoe to bring everything in tight. Please proceed with caution and do not stay in the area for more than 3 to 5 seconds. Try to avoid oversaturation. You just want a light coat of steam to refresh the color. Afterwards, quickly press down the suede with your hands and fingertips. In case you do oversaturate or mess up here, just get yourself a sanding block and use the roughest number 1 side, and then brush off all debris with a stiff brush. After, follow up by sanding with the smooth number 2 side. And then you're all done. The only con to this method is that the suede may be a bit tougher than before. Now here are the final results.
Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special Suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a Month Online Selling Old Shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching.